Well, I'm Chris, and this is my buying a used TRAXXAS off of eBay video. Should it be done? I don't know. We're about to find out. So I got into TRAXXAS about 2 weeks ago. I got TRAXXAS fever, and for the past 2 weeks, I've been buying as many as I can on OfferUp and eBay. So this is probably the ugliest one I will ever buy. It smells like they sprayed it with perfume. So I paid $216 for this. Why would I have done that? Got mismatched wheels. So I don't know why in the world they did this, but I'm going to put some paint remover and hopefully that body underneath will be okay. We can fix this. Obviously this is going to be a basher body. So I'm collecting these so I can have a few of them on my truck so that other people can run RC cars with me, and my friends that maybe can't not afford or it's not practical to buy a TRAXXAS because these things are expensive. So in case you have no idea, if you go buy one of these brand new two-wheel drive VXL, they're $379. That's a lot of money. First test we're going to do are the wheels. Perfectly straight. They're ugly, but that's a good thing. Perfectly straight. That's a very good thing. Oh my God. Already in my world, this is about $25 to $30 worth in just straight wheels and tires. That is so freaking awesome. This little tire rack, I'm just going to sell this completely. I have no use for this. People put all these mods and things on their RC cars. All you do is weigh it down. Somebody out there wants these too for the back of their truck. I know this. A little bit of wear on there, but these are still perfectly good. Let's go ahead and spin them. These RC guys on eBay really burning my biscuit. They sell used wheels on there. I say, did you spin them to make sure they weren't horribly out of balance? Oh man, I didn't think about doing that. Lazy ass dudes working in a hobby shop. Okay, beautiful. Oh my God, that's perfect. I ain't gonna lie, these things feel very high quality, and I bet you they're probably $50, $60. They have to be. I don't know if that's a true bead lock, but if it is, that's awesome. Okay, come on, be straight. Beautiful. It's got mud flaps on it. This is going on mine. Oh my God, I love that. I really do. Look at the metal drive shafts in there. That's freaking awesome. I'm gonna sell these to my friend. He will buy these instantly. So I actually have this spare parts right here, and we just got a little battery in there to test it. So the ESC comes on. That's freaking awesome. Hold it down, it should go off. I need to get this off. It might have the little receiver in there, and I like these little water resistant boxes. So we got a Fly Sky. I have a Fly Sky in there. I don't like it, to be honest with you. It has too many buttons on it. I'm impatient. So you gotta understand which side is negative. It should be over there, and it is marked. If you put these things in there wrong, you can burn this up. I burned up a brand new Dumbo RC wiring it backwards. All right, come on. All right, servo's working good. These things are like $60, so that's awesome. Moment of truth, is the motor gonna be loud or stupid? It doesn't work. So I'm not gonna lie, I just got mad. So as you can see what I had to do, you know, so you start panicking a little bit because this stuff is expensive to ship back. You know, are they gonna discount me some money? You know, did they really test it? Who knows? So these TRAXXAS, they have a setup for the ESC and your throttle. All this stuff is in the manual and online. It'll show you how to calibrate your throttle to your ESC. You have to do that every time for the first time. I already did it, and now look at this. It works perfect. It's not loud. Awesome, I'm happy now. So let's go ahead and see if we can get that TRAXXAS remote back on here. Oh, look what they did for me. They have the big battery upgrade already. That's another $7 right there. I love this thing. So that blinking light tells us that the throttle's not calibrated right. So I did something wrong. Don't worry about it. Turn it back off. Hold it down until it turns red. Pull the throttle all the way down. Let go. And then we're going to put it all the way back. Okay. And there you go. Solid light. So now, oh my goodness. Oh man. I actually learned that from the Santa Maria guy. I like him now. I used to not like him because I thought he was a TRAXXAS snob. And then as soon as I get a TRAXXAS, he becomes my favorite RC YouTuber. So shout out to, I'm sorry I forgot your first name, Santa Maria. I'm sub to you. Love you. So everything's working, but I'm finding an issue with this. If we unhook that battery, it seems like we have to reprogram the throttle every time. But you have to unplug your batteries. Let's see this. Okay, hold it on. Okay, sorry, I thought you could see that light. Come on. See, look at that. Every time we unplug the battery, we got to reprogram the throttle. Is that why they sold it? I don't think that's enough of a reason to. That doesn't really disappoint me because as long as it works, I'm happy. What did disappoint me the most is the mud flaps don't fit on the regular Slash. You have to have this special tire carrier thing, you know, but that's just buying used stuff 101. That's why some people as they get older do not buy anything electronic used. Everything seems to be in good shape. Nothing's cracked. It is missing these little side bumper things, don't really care. And would you look at this right here? This is actually very, very cool. Probably gonna sell it for $50 on eBay because it is just in such good shape. Love those mud flaps, but just not for me. Well, one last thing we need to check is a slipper clutch. We need to go and take this apart real quick. Why does every single slipper clutch I buy used have it run all the way down like that? Little clutch, all that's in the right direction. Look at the little shoes. So this one was adjusted at some point. In my opinion, this is weird. Maybe it's a paddle tire thing that I just don't know anything about for these tires. But you upgraded the motor, but you ran a small, tiny pinion. Okay, so you see the stock one for the two-wheel drive, 23 tooth pinion, 86 on the spur. And we have 90 on the spur, but this is kind of moving in the wrong direction, upgrading to the VXL3S and this system right here. This is going bye-bye. Well, not like in the trash, going in my opinion bucket. We've seen enough. Everything is intact. Everything is operational. The springs on the shocks I don't understand because the color would indicate them being a different rate or pressure or something. So hopefully, I don't know, we'll figure that out. But the shocks are extra stiff. I freaking love it. This green one, oh my God. Well, we're gonna be doing TRAXXAS videos on this channel every now and then. I'm hooked on this kind of stuff. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.